तो प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग के लिए देखो, either you improve your college scores. So one way of showing a great profile is that you've been a 70-75 percenter in your 10th, 12th, or you've been a 7-pointer in the first year of graduation, and second year you have a 9-point in graduation. So if that is the case, then you automatically become more active, or you have a better structure around the profile. So you don't need to explain much to the interviewer that you have grown. So that's one. And the second dimension of building profile is what I call the KRC loop. Add knowledge on subjects, read topics outside your domain, knowledge, reading, and courses. So if you pick up an area like, let's say, philosophy, add knowledge on philosophy to yourself, and you want to add reading to the philosophy area, and you want to add courses in the philosophy area. So pick up 2-3 areas like that, which are outside your course, outside your college subjects. So that's the other way to build profile, right? So I typically advise that you should have one major area on which you're doing a lot, and one minor area in which you're doing maybe 2-3 courses. A major area would mean 5 courses maybe.